So today's LeetCode daily question is delete node in a linked list. It is rated medium, but I'd rather say it is an easy one, rather a dumb one, I'd say. We are given a node and we have to delete it. So it sounds as easy as possible, but the catch of the question is we do not have access to the head of the linked list. We are only given the node and we have to delete that particular node. So let's see how we can do this. And we are guaranteed that the node is not a tail node. So yeah. Uh, Okay. So the general approach we can think is we are given a head node and we will traverse till this node and then we will delete this link and point this node to the next node. So, but we are given this node 2 and the only accessible area is this one. So 2, 3 and null is accessible, not before that. So this is a dumb approach, I'd say. What this may look interesting. Trust me, it has dumb solution. Okay, we copy this value of 3. We copy this value of 3 uh, to the mm, we copy this value of 3 over here and cut this pointer. Okay, so we are not deleting the reference of this 2. We rather copied this value 3 to this node and then we point this node to next and next of uh, the particular given node. Now it points to null. So we kind of deleted this link. Okay. So basically indirectly we deleted the node but not the address. The address remains but the value is changed. So this is it. So what we can do is we can just write the node, sorry, the node value, the node uh, wait yeah the node next is equals node next and the value of the node equals node next value. So this node next value, it will work as it is given that it is not the tail node. So it will uh, what it will never point to null, it will always have a value. So let's run it. Sorry. Will I submit it? Okay, that's good. Thank you.